This is my presentation for the lesson plan Critical Task 1 by Alyssa Janeway. Standards and objectives. The first standard is read with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension. A. Read grade level text with purpose and understanding. B. Read grade level text orally with accuracy, appropriate rate, and expression on successive readings. C. Use context to confirm or self-correct word recognition and understanding of words. Reread as necessary. For this lesson plan, A. Read grade level text with purpose and understanding is focused on. The second standard is participate with varied peers and adults in collaborative conversations in small or large groups about appropriate second grade topics and texts. The third standard is describe how characters in a story respond to major events and challenges. Objectives. The student will retell the story they have heard. This is hit in the summarizing writing assignment. The next objective is the student will orally demonstrate their use of strategy while discussing grade level texts. The central focus is building understanding of reading comprehension using the reading comprehension strategy, activating prior knowledge. About the lesson plan. The lesson plan is an interactive read aloud. The reading strategy being taught is activating prior knowledge to help with reading comprehension. The vocabulary will be pre-taught by using a strategy that describes the vocabulary by supplying illustrations, descriptions, examples, and anecdotes. For example, for the word thrills, the teacher can talk about riding a roller coaster. The teacher can also add the vocabulary to a pre-existing vocabulary wall in the classroom. The teacher can ask for some students to give an example of a time they felt a sudden feeling of excitement, which can lead into the vocabulary word thrills. The hook and the book. For the hook, the teacher will reveal to the students what book they are reading, Tubby the Turkey. The lesson plan will be great to use near Thanksgiving, since the book is about a turkey and a hunter who is trying to eat him. The book follows Tubby the Turkey while he is fighting against Gunter the Hunter, because Gunter the Hunter is tracking him down and trying to kill him so he can eat him for Thanksgiving. The book mentions Thanksgiving at the end also. Assessments. So we can use sticky notes. Every student included in the lesson will have 3 sticky notes. One that means that they understand, one that means that they are not confident in the new information, but they're understanding some of it, and one that means they are confused or lost. The teacher can ask for the students to show their sticky notes so they know how the students are feeling while in the lesson. Whiteboards. When teaching a new skill, students can show their mastery of that skill by how they respond quickly on the whiteboard. Teachers can just get quick, short answers or things like that on whiteboards. Yes or no cards. The students will have a card that has yes on one side and no on the other. This is a quick and easy way to see students' opinions if they agree with what is being said or if they do not agree. Worksheet. Activating prior knowledge with Tubby the Turkey. In this lesson, I made a worksheet that has little questions that will help students showcase their skills with the new strategy, which is activating their prior knowledge, while also showing their reading comprehension skills. For a writing assignment, the students will write a summary of the book. The students will be told to write at least 3 sentences that describe what the book was about. After writing a summary, the students can start writing an adventure for Tubby using their prior knowledge of turkeys and Tubby from the book. The second writing assignment may not be finished, but can be a writing assignment that they can return to when they get finished with other assignments. The strategy is applied with the second writing assignment. The students will use what they learned from the book about Tubby and what they already know about turkeys to write an adventure, like the one Tubby goes on in the book. This will be a fun writing assignment for students to do.